Hello friends, in this video we are going to see some tricks for faster calculations. In our school mathematics or even in competitive exams, we have to make many calculations, and if it is possible to do them fast, we can save our time and that will build our confidence. So I am giving some 5-6 basic tricks. Just apply them whenever you solve the problems. So trick number 1. Adding number ending with 9 to some number. A very simple trick. For example, if we want 47 plus 9. Now what we do is, we increase the tens place by 1 and we reduce the units place by 1. So answer is 56. We take two more examples. 86 plus 9. Increase 8, reduce 6, 95. We can take higher numbers like 74 plus 29. Now this is 2. So we have to increase this number by 3 and reduce this number by 1. This should be increased by 2 plus 1, 3, and this should be reduced by 1. 48 plus 39, this is 3, so increase this number by 4, 4 plus 4, 8, and reduce this number by 1. So this is simple trick for addition of a number ending with 9. I hope you understand this. Practice it well, it will help in solving the questions fast. Now same trick can be applied for adding a number ending with 8. Now if we want to add a number with ending with 8, we have to reduce 2. For example, 46 plus 8. Now we reduce 2 from this, so units place becomes 4, and we increase 1, so we get 5, 54. What is 73 plus 8? Increase this by 1, 8, reduce this by 2, we get 1. 143 plus 68. Now this is 6, we have to add, so increase this by 7. 14 plus 7 is 21, and reduce this by 2, so we get 211. Is the trick clear? We go for the next trick, which is a subtraction. Now in many cases we have to subtract some number from 100 or 1000, especially when we solve problems on like meter, kilometer, centimeter, rupees, paise, liters, milliliters. Like from 1000 milliliter we have to subtract 436 milliliter. How much it is? Now for this subtraction, the simple trick is subtract the last number from 10 and the other two numbers from 9. 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 4 is 5. So trick is, the units place should be subtracted from 10 and the others should be subtracted from 9. 100 minus 785. Subtract this number from 10 and subtract other two numbers from 9. 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 7 is 2. If we want 100 minus 36, subtract the units place from 10. 10 minus 6 is 4 and 9 minus 3 is 6. So this subtraction will become easy, a one-step calculation, no need to think much. The next basic trick, we take it for square of a number ending with 5. Like if we want 45 square or 75 square or 95 square, we can write the answer directly. What we have to do? This units place is 5, we have to write 5 square. 5 square is 25. Then the previous number 4 should be multiplied by its next number. 4 into 5, answer is 20. So 45 square will be 2025. Now can you help me out for this? 5 square is 25. This is 7. So we have to multiply by the next number. 7 8s are. What is 7 8s are? 56. 5 square is 25. This is 9. Multiply this by next number 10. 9 tens are 90. So I hope this is clear. The previous number should be multiplied by its next number, and 5 square is 25. Students, we go for another simple multiplication. Squares. Square of number near 50. If some number is near 50 and we want its square, we take some examples like 42 square. Now what we do is, we find the difference of this number from 50. 42 and 50. What is the difference? 8. So we take 8 square is 64. Now difference is 8. We subtract that 8 from 25. 25 minus 8 is 17. So always we have to subtract the difference from 25. If this number is lesser than 50, we take 2-3 more examples. 47 square. Difference from 50 is 3. 3 square is 9. We write 09 here. We want a 2-digit number. And then from 25, we have to subtract the difference, that is 3. 25 minus 3 is 22. Clear? One more. 46 whole square. Difference is 4. Difference from 50. 4 square is 16. Now difference is 4. We subtract that difference from 25. So we get 2116. Now let us take a number greater than 50. 53 whole square. What do we get? Difference is 3. 3 square is 9. And in 25 we will add the difference. So we get 25 plus 3, that is equal to 28. We take another number, 58 square. Difference of this number from 50 is 8. 8 square is 64. And that difference 8 we add to 25. 25 plus 8 is 33. This is possible even for a smaller number like 37 square. Now what is the difference of this number from 50? 50 minus 37 is 13. What is 13 square? 169. We want a 2-digit number. We write 69 and 1 is carried. Out of that 169, we write 69 and 1 carried. Now difference is 13. So we have to write 25 minus 13. 25 minus 13 is 12. And to that we add this carried 1. 12 plus 1, 13. So 37 square will be equal to 1369. I hope this method is clear to you. We go for the next trick. See, we find some multiplications are very difficult. If the question is find product of 93 into 97, it will take a lot of time and calculation, but if we know this trick, the question can be solved very easily. So this is for numbers near 100. If both numbers are near 100, we can solve them very easily. What we have to do? This number and 100, what is the difference? 7. We write minus 7. This number is minus 7, that is 7 less than 100. and this number is 3 less than 100. We write minus 3. First step is clear. These two numbers are near 100. This number is less 7 and this number is less 3. Now what we do is, we write here 7 3s are 21, also the sign minus into minus plus, so this is 21. We want a 2-digit number since these numbers are near 100 having 2 zeros. So we write a 2-digit number. And this number is very simple, 93 minus 3 or 97 minus 7. Whatever we do, answer will be 90. We have to take this subtraction or this subtraction. So final answer is 9021. Isn't it very easy? Let us take another example. 92, 96. This number is less than 100, less 8. This number is less 4. 8 4s are 32. 92 minus 4 or 96 minus 8. Any calculation we do, answer will be the same, 88. So answer is 8832. This can also be done for numbers greater than 100, 102, 108. Now these numbers are more than 100. How much more? Plus 2, 100 plus 2. And this number is 100 plus 8. Now what we do? 8 2s are 16, a 2-digit number. Now either we do 102 plus 8 or 108 plus 2. Anyway, we are going to get 10110. So answer is 11016. Now let us take a problem where one number is more than 100, other number is less than 100. Like 103 and 94. A bit complicated, but we have to remember this step. This is plus 3 and this is minus 6. Correct? Now when we write this number, this is minus 18. This was plus 32, plus 21, plus 16, but this is minus 18. Just remember minus 18. And now 94 plus 3 or 103 minus 6. Whatever calculation we do, we get 97. Now 97, this is actually 9700, and from that we have to subtract 18. Now when we subtract 18, what do we get? 9682. The last number we subtract from 10, this will be the answer, 9682. So I hope this calculation is clear. If you practice well, take some 8-10 problems and practice, so this will be very easy. And one more faster mathematics trick I am going to tell you, which is very important because it is a general for any 2-digit number multiplication. We can use this trick. Prepare this well. 2 3 into 6 2. Students, we will try to find this answer in single step. We know the regular method. What is regular method? 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, then we write a cross, 6 3s are 18, carry 1, 6 2s are 12, plus 1 13, then we add this, 8 plus 4 12, carry 1, 3 plus 1 4 and 1. These many steps we have to perform. Now we try to do this orally in a single step. 23 into 62. We are writing the answer in one step, but we are doing 3 steps mentally. What is the first step? 2 3s are 6. So first step is multiplication of units places. The second step, cross multiplication and addition. What is cross multiplication? This 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4 and 6 3s are 18. Can we do this orally? 4 plus 18. 4 plus 18 is 22. And we write 2 carry. 22, we write this 2 and 2 carry. And then this multiplication. 6 2s are 12 plus 2 is 14 and we get the answer 1426. Let us practice 2 more sums. try to understand well. 64 into 36, 3 steps. Step number 1, 6 fours are 24, carry 2. The second step, cross multiplication, 6 sixes are 36, 3 fours are 12, 36, 12, total. What is 36 plus 12? It is 48 and this is carried 2. 48 plus 2 will give 50. So we write 0 here and 5 carry. Then 6 threes are 18 plus 5, 23. Now I will solve fast. You just try to understand. 49 into 32. 2 nines are 18. Carry 1. 4 twos are 8. 3 nines are 27. 27 plus 8. 35 plus 1. 36. Carry 3. 4 threes are 12 plus 3. 15. 62 plus 24. 4 twos are 8. 4 sixes are 24. 2 twos are 4. 24 plus 4 is 28. Carry 2. 6 twos are 12 plus 2. 14. So students, we can see in a single step we can solve a 2 cross 2 multiplication. I hope these things will be useful to you in many calculations. Practice them well. Wish you all the best. Thank you.